Who is Speaking at the Podium is a great printable for the whole family. You'll need tape, a hole punch, scissors, twine, string, or yarn. The first thing we want to do is cut out the little podium, and then we're going to fold the paper and just follow along. There's some dotted gray lines in the printable, and you're just gonna fold it back and forth like a fan. Make sure your edges line up really well because we're doing a lot of folding, and then we're gonna fold the outside line again too. So this is going to create a little pocket in front of the speakers that the podium will be inserted into. So just accordion fold back and forth. Now this is something you can do to prepare for general conference or have your kids do during the beginning of conference, maybe during the opening song. It's very simple. It's not a hard thing to put together. I also printed it on cardstock so that it will last longer. Open it up and then flip the paper over, and then we're gonna fold on the long side as you see me do. And again, we're just gonna watch our edges, and there is a dotted line there too. So just fold both sides over. And then once we finish that, we're going to flip the paper over and lay that part flat. And then we're going to go back to our fold we did first. And then flip it over, and then we're gonna fold the back again and tape it. Now you can use twine, yarn, string to attach the podium with some tape, and then use a hole punch to just hole punch at the bottom outside of our website. And then we're going to lace the twine through the holes, and you're going to need about 7.5 inches from where the knot will be to where you're going to have the podium. And then trim that off, and you could just test before you cut to make sure that the podium is long enough to go to one of the seats, the furthest seats, Elder Bednar or President Oaks, and then it will fit everywhere else. And then to use it, you're just going to take the podium, and when someone is speaking, you're going to put that in their chair, check it off, and that will help you know who hasn't spoken yet and who has already spoken. Simply erase the check marks, and you can reuse it again for next conference. You can pick up this printable from our Etsy shop. You can purchase it by itself, or it's also included in the Ultimate General Conference Kit or General Conference Kit number 2.